Hey guys, so I got this Lumary Wi-Fi Smart Curtain Lights. It comes with everything including the little hooks. And it comes with the screws to attach them. They all come with these little beads at the end to give it weight. With the control that I think you can also operate it with the app if I'm not mistaken. And you can also control it with this piece and you can connect it to music, so it does have a built-in microphone. And you can turn it on and off and you just plug it in. So we'll see how it turns out.